Angelo Marino, my uncle and head of the real Italian Mafia in New York, shoots me daggers and crosses his arms. I see the real one because Jacopo Abruzzo will claim the same, yet he defected from Giuseppe Berlusconi, who heads up all of Italy's top families. And the Marinos are still loyal to Giuseppe and under his leadership. Years ago I came to the States from Italy. Since no one knew who I was, Angelo utilized me as his spy. So I have two passports. One has my real name, Luca Alessandro Marino. The other is for Luca Alessandro Bianchi. Angelo and his 4 sons are the only people who know I'm a Marino. Other than that, the crime family world thinks I'm loyal to the Abruzzos. Jacopo believes I'm a spy for him against the Marinos. It's one of the most dangerous positions in the Marino family,